Hello and welcome for another lesson in Mathematics 9. So for today's lesson, we are going to discuss addition and subtraction of radicals. This can be found on pages 25 to 29, week 7 of your learner's material in grade 9 mathematics for second quarter. So addition and subtraction of radicals is very easy. Para ka lang nag-a-add ng magkakapare-parehas. Okay? When we say pare-parehas, similar radicals, these are radicals that have the same index. Kunyari, square root of 3, ang kaparehas niya is square root of 3. Cube root of 5 is the same as cube root of 5. So, for example, lalagyan ko siya ng coefficient na 6 and then 5. Ito gawin natin 7 and then 9. So, let's say dito ang operation is minus and dito operation is plus. Okay? So, aanohin mo lang, parang ganito, gawin natin Tagalog. 6 na square root of 3. Binawasan mo ng 5 na square root of 3. Ilan ang natira? So, 6 minus 5 is just square root of 3. Diba? Dito naman sa susunod. 7 cube root of 5 plus 9 cube root of 5. Parang 7 na cube root of 5, dinagdagan mo ng 9 na cube root of 5. So, ilang cube root of 5 na siya? So, 16 na cube root of 5. So, in short, pwede mo lang pagsamahin yung mga radicals o pwede mong ibawas or idagdag or pagsamahin nga yung mga radicals na parehas ng index. Okay? Parehas ng index tsaka parehas ng base. Okay po? Okay, here's another example. 9 square root of 5 minus 4 square root of 3 minus 2 square root of 5 minus square root of 3. Okay, so although pare-parehas ng index na 2, lahat sila naka-square root, iba-iba yung base nila. So ano yung magkakasama dito? Yung 9 square root of 5 tsaka yung negative 2 square root of 5. Okay, so para hindi kayo malito, pwede nyong gawin na 9, tapos yung minus 2, diba? Square root of 5. Tapos yung isa naman, pagsamasamahin natin, negative 4 square root of 3, tsaka negative square root of 3. Yan ay, so bali magiging negative 4 minus 1 square root of 3. So, 9 minus 2, that is 7 square root of 5. Negative 4 minus 1 is negative 5 square root of 3. So, bakit may negative 1 doon? Wala namang 1 doon sa tabi ng isang square root of 3. So, automatically, invisible 1 po siya. Okay, so our final answer is 7 square root of 5 minus 5 square root of 3. Okay, here's another example. So we have square root of 32 plus square root of 128 minus square root of 18 plus square root of 50. So sasabihin nyo, hindi sila similar radicals kasi although pare-pareha sila ng index na 2, iba-iba yung base nila. Pero as you would notice, hindi nakasimplified yung mga radical expressions. Like square root of 32, 128, 18, and 50, hindi pa siya simplified form. So, katulad ng ginawa natin sa simplifying radicals, we find factors wherein one factor is a perfect square. Perfect square kasi ang index natin dito ay 2. So, let's start with 32. Ano ba yung factors na 32 na may perfect square? So, yun yung 16 times 2. So, 128, siya ay 64 times 2. Sa 18, yan po ay 9 times 2. And then sa 50, that is 25 times 2. Ayan, sorry, kulang na sa space. Okay? So, pag na-simplify natin siyang, i-factor na natin siya, i-ano na natin siya sa simplest form nila. So, ang square root of 16 ay 4. So, maiiwan si square root of 2. Plus, square root of 64 ay 8. May iwan sa loob si 2. Minus, square root of 9. Square root of 9 is 3. So, titira si 2 sa loob. And then, si square root of 25, that is 5. May iwan si 2 sa loob. Okay. So, as you can see, pare-parehas na sila ng base. Pare-parehas na din sila ng index. So, similar radicals na lang siya. So, pagsamahin natin 4 plus 8 minus 3 plus 5 square root of 2. Okay? So, magiging 4 plus 8, that is 12, minus 3, that is 9, plus 5, that is 14. And then, just copy the radical expression square root of 2. So, that is our final answer. Okay, so bago tayo mag-proceed sa last example natin, I want you to write or to type in your full name, your section, and tatlong purple hearts for your attendance sa comment section. Again, I want you to type your full name, your section, and tatlong purple hearts for your attendance. This is just to make sure na napanood nyo ng buo ang video. Okay, now let us proceed to our last example. We have 3 times 3 square root of 4x minus square root of 9x plus 5 square root of 27 minus square root of x. So, again, as you can see, hindi similar yung radicals natin. Magkakaiba sila. So, let us try to simplify these radicals. So, we'll start with 3 square root of 4x. Ano natin? Paghiwa-hiwalayin natin siya. 4 times x minus ito magiging 9 times x. And then, ito magiging 5. Ang 27 po ay, that is 9 times 3. And then, minus square root of x. Okay. So, ilabas na natin ang pwede nating ilabas or pwede nating i-square root. So, may 3 dito. Ang square root of 4 ay 2. So, times 2. Yan. Naiwan sa loob si x. Minus, ang square root of 9 is 3. Naiwan sa loob si x. Okay? Plus 5. Okay, may square root of 9 tayo. So, square root of 9 is 3. So, multiply natin sa 3, yung 5. And then, square root of 3. Okay? And then, minus square root of x. Kasi, wala na siya. Diyan na siya. Hindi siya na makakalabas. Okay? So, 3 times 2, that is 6 square root of x. Minus 3 square root of x. 5 and 3. 5 times 3 is 15 square root of 3 minus square root of x. Okay. So, ano lang ang pwede natin pagsama-samahin dito? Yung 6 square root of x, yung negative 3 square root of x, tsaka yung negative square root of x. Hindi natin pwedeng isama yung 15 square root of 3 kasi ang base niya is 3. Although pareha sila ng index na 2. Okay? So, pag-anhin na natin. So, 6 minus 3 minus 1. Okay? Square root of x. Tapos naiwan si 15, square root of 3. Final answer na tayo. 6 minus 3 is 3 minus 1, that is 2. Tapos times square root of x plus 15 square root of 3. So that is our final answer. Okay, so I hope this will help you in answering your learning task in Mathematics 9. So that is again for week 7 from pages 25 to 29. So maraming salamat and God bless you all.